The Pneumatic Valve Flow Coefficient calculator determines the CV value needed for proper valve sizing in your pneumatic system. Let's walk through the inputs. First, select your units from the dropdown. You can choose Imperial with GPM and PSI, or metric with liters per minute and bar. I'm using Imperial for this demo. Next, choose your fluid type from the drop-down options: water with specific gravity 1.0, light oil at 0.8, heavy oil at 0.9, gasoline at 0.79, glycol solution at 1.2, or custom specific gravity. I've selected water. Now enter your flow rate Q in the first field, your inlet pressure P1 in the second field, and your outlet pressure P2 in the third field. If you selected custom specific gravity earlier, you'll also need to enter that value. Click Calculate CV and the calculator processes your inputs using the standard CV formula. The results section displays your calculated flow coefficient, which tells you the valve CV rating required for your specific application. This CV value represents the flow capacity in gallons per minute of water at 60 degrees Fahrenheit with a 1 psi pressure drop across the valve. Use this CV value to select the appropriate valve for your system. Find the link in the description below.